Cracked concrete? Don't worry, we got you. First, let's understand why concrete cracks. It could be anything from concrete itself shrinking during the drying process to pesky tree roots disturbing the soil below. Erosion or other natural environmental issues can make your concrete sink unevenly, leading to cracks. Heavy loads like large vehicles in your driveway can also crack the pavement over time. There are a lot of ways you can tackle cracks in your concrete, but it's important to pick the right one for the long-term peace of mind. Now, you might have heard of mudjacking. It's a method where a mixture of soil, water, and cement is pumped underneath the slab to lift it. While it seems like a good idea, mudjacking is outdated and has some downsides. It's a short-term solution because that mixture can erode over time. Plus, it's heavy and can cause more settling. And let's be honest, those large drill holes aren't exactly pretty. Then there's concrete replacement. This involves breaking out the old concrete and pouring a new slab. Sounds like a pain, right? It's costly, time-consuming, and can be a major disruption to your home. On top of that, matching the new concrete to the old can be tricky, and it will take a long time to fully dry up before it can be used again. So, what's the best solution? Renewal from Groundworks. This method uses a special polyurethane foam that's injected through small holes. It's fast, effective, and long-lasting. Here's why it's so great. The polyurethane foam is incredibly durable and can handle all sorts of weather. It cures in just minutes, so you can walk on your concrete almost immediately. Did I mention it's also waterproof and environmentally friendly? Concrete lifting with polyurethane injections provides a long-lasting solution and gives you a peace of mind. Call today for a free inspection.